Hello, 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 happy day world! So for today's video is another home cooking episode and welcome to my Filipino pantry or Pinoy pantry at home. And sinishare ko din to sa ating fellow OFWs dito sa Croatia. So binibenta ko rin siya at the same time. And as you all know, Mahilig ako sa noodles guys, shin ramen ang sarap at ito ang ingredients, ayan mussels na frozen as well as kale and then takbo tayo sa labas sa garden dahil kukuha ako ng onion leaves. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video and also if you like this video, please like, share, comments, and subscribe. So, enjoy the rest of the video. And also, comment down below kung anong gusto nyo sa aking gagawin dito sa Croatia, guys. So, ito lang ating day-to-day life, culture, tradition, foods. And dito na, hindi na ako dyan nagsasalita dahil gutom na, guys. And this video is on the go to ko to na na food dahil noodles at masaya ko at easy lang siya. Although marami siyang pasikot-sikot dahil nga magbo-boil pa ako diyan, bino-boil natin 'yan ang ating frozen na mussel. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Happy cooking and happy eating. Mwah! Done. Let's eat. Spicy. Spicy. Pero kakaluto lang. Tulog sipon. Harap. Korean spicy ang sarap. Try nyo to guys. Like yung Indomie ginawa ko. Sarap din eh. Ito ramyun. Korean. Shallots from garden. Kailangan ko magmadali guys. Lunch and dinner na to. Sundo tayo ng anak. Mushroom. Talsik. Ay. Balag frozen. Kakadating lang. Kakabili lang ng frozen. Nanong siya. Na, sana ay tahong. Mussels or tahong. Tahong ni Mela. Satisfying. Init at anghang. Yung isang pack, pang 2 meal ko na yun. $30 minutes pa. Meron pa akong 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This has been Mel from the Napolina in Croatia. Thanks to all for the love and support. At until next time, blessings to all. Mwah!